Welcome to Mac Tech Fix Pro. In today's video, we are going to look at how to review the password of the network you are connected to. Now, this process is mainly used when you have your network you've connected to and you needed to give others access to that network. Okay, all right. So to do that, we are going to launch our notepad as administrator. So once you do that, type this command, netshow. So we want to see all the profiles we've connected to. Okay, all right. Now you check one of the profiles. So this command will list all the network you've connected to on your device, right? Now it's now left for you to choose the one that is actively connected to. However, that doesn't mean it will not reveal the password of any. So what this means that any network that has been listed here that you've connected to before, if you select it, it's going to list the password for that network, or it's going to review the password for that network. Now let's take the first one, Mastech network. Okay, let's take the first one and see. So review name quarter. So let's take the first one, which is Aztec key. Clear. Sorry, still need to be in quotes. All right. Now you could see. Can you see the key contents? The area written key contents. That's the password for this network. So let's also try the other network to also show you that it will reveal all the network you've connected to before. So the last one there is, let's check the last one. All right. So you can see MTN 5G. Okay. You can also see Kokoma. Let's try that one. Okay, so I can quickly do this instead of typing so much. Enter. So I want to use the second one, or say the third one, right? Okay. Profile name equal to what? So let's use this. Let's use this. And key. Go to clear. So let's see. So you could see this is the password for this key content. So if you believe this, you've learned something from this, please like, share, and comment for others to see. Thank you.